Alright everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am excited today that AMD did a drive. I don't know how to pronounce. I don't know. I'm just so blah. They did a atomic bomb drop on us today. In Computex 2021, they AMD doing their thing. That's pretty much all I can say right now. They did a atomic drop bomb on us today in Computex 2021, where they announced new improvements for the graphic cards, as well as the low-end cards from the RX 500. But you know what? I ain't here to talk about that today. I am here to talk about the APUs that are coming out. Yes. AMD, we love you. We got them APUs. Yes, sir. The Ryzen 7 5700G and the Ryzen 5 5600G, yes, are coming out, baby. And I am excited now. They got the price. The price is right. The price, I can sit down and say, it's very budget friendly because you can't go wrong with that. So Intel, I hope y'all taking note from AMD, because if y'all came up, when y'all came up with your 11th gen, y'all should have had your CPUs budget friendly for the consumers. Yes. And you can't go wrong with this. So let's get into this. It's a great article. I'm not going to go ahead and do the live launch of the Computex. Y'all can go on YouTube and watch that whenever y'all get ready. But let's get into this here. Yes, AMD Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and the Ryzen 5 5600G and the 5700G will be available to the builders, system builders, baby, August 5th. Yes, and I am excited. And guess what? The price is right, and you cannot go wrong with this. And now I did a list. I'm just gonna jump that list and redo it over again, because they had the way you could go ahead and get the Ryzen 7 5700G and the Ryzen 5 5600G off eBay, and they was being scalped big time. Because the Ryzen 7 5700G was going for $630 on eBay, as the Ryzen 5 5600G is going for $430. But here, on August 1st, AMD has planned to introduce the Zen G series to all customers, just not OEM and systems integrators. Everybody for to get their hands on it, baby. Currently, the Ryzen 5000G series is not available to do-it-yourself builders, but this will change on August. AMD revealed that the Ryzen 7 5700G will launch at $359 USD, whereas the Ryzen 5 5600G will cost $259 USD. Both are indeed really aggressively prices, and not really, because when you look at the Ryzen 7 3700X, when they came out, it was the MSRP was at $329. So, but you know, it just $30 more for the 8 core 16 threads, as well as the 6 cores 12 threads with the 5600G at $259. But you can't go wrong with that. It is competitive. Now, Ryzen 7 offers 8 cores and 16 threads with up to 4.6 gigahertz clock. This 65 watt TDP APU has 8 copy units based on the GCN Vega architect, which has been proven to be suitable for many popular games. Now keep in mind, I know all gamers just want to go ahead and throw damn near everything at it. They want to throw the warships at it, air fighter jets, tankers, whatever. Keep in mind, these APUs are overclockable, and they can only play suitable for most popular games. So they're going to be throwing everything at it. Just keep in mind that these APUs can only play suitable for many popular games. Not all of them. The Ryzen 5600G is not much slower, offering 6 cores and 12 threads up to 4.4 gigahertz boost with 7 compute units clocked at 1.9 gigahertz. The iGPU performance won't be much slower. Now keep in mind, they are overclockable, so when you pair them with the right memory, the best memory you can pair these with is 4200 megahertz to 44 megahertz. So you can go ahead and get that max performance off the APU. AMD has not revealed any plans for the Ryzen 3 5300G SKU, which will only and will remains exclusively to the OEM market. So if you're looking for one of these Ryzen 3 5300G, 4 cores, 8 threads, you're going to have to get it in a pre-built from a manufacturer. The best manufactured pre-built you can get if you're looking for this Ryzen 3 5300G is Hewlett Packard. That's it. So y'all go ahead and keep that in mind. If you find one, you're good to go. Let's go ahead and get into this chart. Okay, the Ryzen 7 5700G, 8 core, 16 threads. Base is at 3.8 gigahertz. Boost is at 4.6 gigahertz with 16 megabyte L3 cache with 4 megabyte L2 cache with 8 compute units at 2. gigahertz with 65 watt TDP. And that's one thing I love about it. You don't have to pull that much power, but when you overclock them, it goes up to about a little bit more, 90 watts in TDP, but that's not bad. You can't go wrong with that. Same thing with the Ryzen 5 5600G, 6 cores, 12 threads. You know what? I might just go ahead and put my grandson on this set right here when he gets a little older. Yes. At 259 USD. Both of these CPUs, both of these APUs are available August 5th. We can't go wrong with this. So I hope when they hit New 8 and Amazon, and I mean from New 8 and Amazon, not no third party or fourth party retail seller, we want them at the regular price. And with that said, with the Ryzen 5 5600G up to 3.9 gigahertz base and 4.4 gigahertz boost with 16 megabyte L3 cache with a 3 megabyte L2 cache, 7 compute units on the GPU with 1.9 gigahertz at 65 thermal design power. Yes, you cannot go wrong with that. And this is one thing I love AMD. This is one reason why we are flipping to AMD, because the price is good. And if you look at the Ryzen 7 3700X, when it was introduced to the market, the announcement was May 26, 2019. The availability date was July 7, 2019. It came on the market at $329. Now, $359. That's just like a $30 hike. Same thing with the 5600G. If you look at the 3600, same thing. 6 cores, 12 threads. When the Ryzen 5 3600 came out, they came out at $199. So, you know, looking at about like maybe $30 to $50 hike. Not bad. It is budget friendly. It is not bad. It's not a mediocre. So the price is right. And with the Ryzen 7 8 cores, 12 threads, here's the charts. It is here $259 USD, $359. Now if you want more of the Ryzen 3, the 4300 series, and the 4600G, the 4700G, you can get those chipsets off AliExpress, or you can just go ahead and get them into a pre-built. It don't matter. If you want to build your system yourself, you can get these chipsets off AliExpress. You don't have to wait a while, but it's best to get them off AliExpress than get them off eBay, because they are being overpriced and they're being scalped. So y'all look out for that. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you love this video, if you liked it so much. And I got more great videos coming your way. Y'all take care. Once again, AMD doing their thing. We love them. Y'all keep it up. Only thing we just need more is the graphic cards to come back out so everybody could be happy. All the people who are upgraded to the 5000G or the 5000 processors and beyond. Y'all need to go ahead and bring out your RX 60. Bring them all back out, including the video. Y'all heard me get these graphic cards back on retail shelves now, so we all could be happy, including NVIDIA GTX series. So y'all go ahead on and y'all have a good night, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.